Hey, what's going on everybody? I'm Aneli Jamal, and today I want to talk to you about a really cool feature inside of DistroKid. And if you're not quite sure what DistroKid is, it's actually a service online that you could get your music out onto Spotify, Apple Music, and all the other stores. And today I'll be talking about a feature called HyperFollow. It's a completely free promotional tool for anyone that's actually using DistroKid. Now, as many of you know, in today's world, it's so important to be one click away from the music that you're getting out there. And that's where HyperFollow comes in. It's one link that basically leads your music to all other streaming services. Now, right now I'm inside of my dashboard in DistroKid where you can see all the songs that I have distributed so far through this platform. And the cool thing is that once you finish uploading on DistroKid, I'm going to show you, for example, if I click on Full Bloom, this basically comes up. Now this is a song that I've already released, and this is the HyperFollow link, and basically I can share this link to anyone online and it will direct them directly to Spotify, Apple Music, iTunes, and so forth. So it's got them all right here, one click away. You can also even click on this and get a little bit of a preview for anyone that's coming there. And the cool thing is here that you can actually talk to me as well if you're interested in chatting with the artist. Now the very instant that you finish uploading a song onto DistroKid, you can actually start marketing your release and collecting pre-saves on Spotify. And that's also including fan emails. This Full Bloom song right here is a song that I've already released about a month ago, but I'm going to show you right here. This is another song that's coming out very soon, and you can see it's a different setup than the other one if it's already released. Here you can see you just click pre-save and follow. And also you can click share my email address with the artist if you're looking to collect email addresses as well for another sort of campaign in the future or something like that. And so with this, as soon as your release goes live on its release date, your HyperFollow page will automatically update as well, which is really cool. So you don't ever have to really touch anything. Once you direct them to this link up here, DistroKid and HyperFollow here will do its thing and automatically update, which is a really big plus. That way you don't have to kind of keep going back to your websites and editing and tweaking things and stuff like that. The cool thing is that you're even able to edit your HyperFollow page to include links to Bandcamp, links to videos, and all other goodies, which is pretty cool that you can have it all in one place. And so with that, your HyperFollow link actually never changes either. So you'll never have to update your marketing copy or your social media posts, which again is a big plus for me. And so here in my dashboard, in order to access the HyperFollow, I would just click on one of the links here as to one of the songs, and then you would scroll down until here you see HyperFollow. And then right here, you've got the link. You can also click visit, and that will direct you automatically to the page. And you would basically just share this link right here. You could also do a link shortener, of course, if you don't like the way how long this is, not a problem. You can do that as well. So this feature inside of DistroKid is really cool. It's really great to use because you start to collect emails. You can start to have pre-saves and things like that, which is really great when you're starting a campaign to kind of get the most traction into for a song when you're starting to release it. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this short little video here on some tips and tricks that I like to use to maximize my growth with Spotify and Apple Music and all other stores. If you aren't using DistroKid yet, I do have a link down in the description below, which will get you 7% off of your first year. Just a note, it is an affiliate link, so I do get a small commission off of that. And if you just want to support me or like the content that I'm providing you, I'd really appreciate that. Otherwise, no problem at all. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to hit the like and the subscribe button down below. It would really mean a lot to me and also help this channel grow. Thanks so much, guys. Appreciate it. Until next time.